in just a few seconds. Lights out, and they are rolling once more, as it is a good start for Dirk Schuiten. The Ryson, though, looks like he might come under pressure. Keep an eye on the GDL car, the 66 of Csaba Walter. He dives for the inside. The Hungarian driver wanted to lead in Hungary, but unfortunately the inside is only granted in third, maybe second place. Jaun Font around the outside has moved up to make that second place, and Jan Larijsen has got into the lead. A terrible start for Dirk Schuiten. He finds himself down in fourth place. He's a bit physical further back as well, but oh dear, our pole sitter free falling through the order in the first couple of corners.
He seemed to get swallowed up from the start, just could not quite maintain the getaway. The momentum started slipping. Jan Larijsen capitalised instantly and took the lead. Jaun Font, a very, very good move around the outside of turn 1, with Csaba Walter battling with him for that second place spot. It would be Font who would come out on top in that particular exchange, with Dirk Schuiten then falling further back into fourth place. Julian Darris, though, getting off okay, fifth place for him and the Aston Martin, and John de Wilder in sixth as well in that new purple livery. But a very, very steady start, not too much carnage, it's all been pretty good so far. Still is Jan Larijsen in front.
It is Jan Larijsen at the sharp end of the order, and up in second place is Jaun Font, the AM-class leader for now. Second overall. Jaun has got plenty of racing experience at many different high levels, and great to have him racing with us here in the GT Cup Open Europe. Csaba Walter then in third place on home turf, but Dirk Schuiten, he's going to be very difficult to hold off, I think, in this opening salvo race.
Yeah, absolutely. It's getting very, very close now to the rear of Csaba Walter as they head down through towards turn 1. Schuiten looking to try and recover the damage that was done in the initial lap, but we've now seen him going around the outside. Now Dirk Schuiten not quite able to capitalise, maybe try to switch back. Not this time out of turn 1. They got turn 2 to come. Might choose to maybe hang it around the outside, leading around turn 2 in towards turn 3. As they do so, there's Csaba Walter inside line, outside for Schuiten, as they now send it down through towards turn 3. Schuiten has barely a car nose in front. No, he just doesn't quite grasp it, unfortunately, and still it's Csaba Walter in third place. A very good defensive display there from Csaba Walter.
Yeah, very well done there from Csaba. I'm sure he's done some racing here at the Hungaroring over the years. It is his home turf after all. Same can be said for his teammates onboard Nagy as well. It's an all-Hungarian lineup for DDL racing this weekend. And I understand Big Boss Gianluca De Lorenzi is actually competing in the Fun Cup 25-hour this weekend, so he's having a laugh. Oh, but no laughing matter for Csaba Walter. Schuiten was up the inside, and a spin and contact for Csaba Walter sent him down to almost the very back of the pack. Schuiten had a nose up the inside. I didn't think he was close enough to try and get fully alongside the 66 car. Well, contact between the two of them was the end result, and Csaba Walter is down to P9.
Yeah, it's not good at all. Here's the replay. We just saw it there, cut away, but this time, yeah, just got so tight. It's not really the best place to overtake around there. Dirk Schuiten trying to make something work. And there we can see the car of Csaba Walter there spinning off into the outside of the track. And we did say earlier on about how treacherous that part of the circuit